Welcome boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be installing some LED taillights in the Challenger. These are what we're going to put on the outside bulbs, far right and left. And these are the ones that are to go in the middle on this bar here. Mark will be doing the install on his own Challenger because my back hurts, so I am cameraman today. So in order to get these out on the side, you just have to pull back your carpet there and then loosen that little plastic wing nut that holds them on. Once the housing is out, there's access to your bulbs right there. If you needed to pull the whole housing out, you could disconnect that electrical connector behind his hand there and get them out that way. If you want to know what kind of replacement bulbs you would need, the Challenger takes 3057, it looks like, if I can get it focused. 3057. Those are the ones you want to replace, and they are all the same all the way along. I don't know how well you can see in here, but I did peek through there the other day, and I think with a flashlight I was able to peek through there. So if you wondered which ones were in yours, if you do peek through there, you can see them. Ditto for these. These are what he's putting in. These are these flasher types. So I'm assuming what that means is when he presses on the brakes, they're going to flash at first. So we'll see. We'll know for sure. Alright, so they're in, and I'll have him hit the brakes to make sure they work. They flash for several seconds, several times, and then stay solid. I'm not sure how this is going to affect the turn signals, but I guess we'll find out once we put them in.
Yeah, but the question is why are they going so fast?
Because they're the flasher type.
Oh, because that only indicates when they're not working. They'll flash
well, you didn't get to see what happened, but I'll let you. All right, and that's with the turn signal on. So I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but it just flashes very quickly, very fast. So that's turn signal. It's going to essentially be a hyper flash. So all right, let's compare left to right. I'll have him step on the brakes. Alright. Well, there we go. So they look about the same. Brightness. This one's not illuminating because that's the burned out bulb. Just in case you boys were wondering. So, alright. Installation on this side is the same, and then we'll do the bar in the middle. In case you guys don't know how to do that. Okay, boys, and to get the center part out, you will need to remove these 2 plastic rivets, these 4 plastic wing nuts on the back, and then you'll need a screwdriver to get these 2 screws, one on each end here. Then you can get this big centerpiece out to replace those bulbs. Get these out, and then I've already taken the plastic rivets out. If you wanted to know what they look like, that's what they look like. So just pry the head out and then pull the rivet out. You gotta give her the old yank. After you take all the fasteners out,
deals with it. Fucking bolts are so long. Don't want anything on out. outside. These even wheel things.
Oh, hold on a second. Throwing out of the way.
I got these out before. I got chains over these. Why is this not fucking coming out?
Well, easy there. Surely these don't have to come out. I wouldn't think so. Well, then, the question is,
I wonder if there's a screw down.
wish I would have filmed that part. Demonstrate what we're doing there. Hold on. Okay, boys, I mentioned where on the street was there were some Torx. There isn't on my side, missing, but on the driver's side there is. So in addition to that Phillips that we pulled off from here, there is a Torx in here. And there should be one on both sides. So go ahead and get that one out too, and then you'll be ready to remove your centerpiece. Okay, boys, and a T20 is what you're gonna want on an extension, and in my case I have it on a wobble extension, so you can loosen it and get that thing out of there.
That makes a difference. From the top.
Well, you could just
There it is.
That's our missing one. Alright, boys, and there's the missing Torx from that belongs on the other side. Now we can put it back on proper.
Screw on one, 2 Torx, and 2 screws. Now we gotta undo all the bolts.
Well, you could just unplug the electrical harness and just take this thing out.
That's alright, I'm not doing all that.
Okay, well, my dad does not want to remove this thing easily. He wants to do it while they're in here. But if I would recommend you boys unplug that thing from the harness. Just take this thing, bench it, and then put your LEDs in. But you do you. But now that you've seen the procedure, I guess we'll go ahead and
See what it looks like when I'm done.
be back once we get her done, boys, for the final result and close out the video. Alright, boys, and there we have it. We have them all illuminated. As I'm looking through the camera, it's funny, like, it looks like an old TV. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see, like, an up and down motion, like the screen scrolling. So they do work. He does have 4 extra ones of these ones in the middle. And I can already see that the ones on the outside are, in fact, brighter, as they are made by a different person. But he does have 4 in the middle, so if he decides to change them, he can, to make them all uniform. I myself am not crazy about the flashing thing before you hit the brakes. I'm also not too excited about the ones on the outside are slightly brighter than the ones in there. But even so, when you hit the brakes, they do get even brighter than what they currently are. So, I don't know, I guess dealer's choice. Well, there you go. That's how you remove the middle section and replace the bulbs on the outsides. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.